Imagine stepping into the world of real estate investing, where opportunities abound but pitfalls lurk around every corner. We are growthsense.com. We built a platform that allows investors to buy, sell, and invest in real estate properties of all kinds, in all shapes, and in all conditions. What if the very property you've set your sights on becomes a financial burden instead of a lucrative asset? Understanding the costs associated with buying and rehabbing properties is not just beneficial, it's essential. In this journey, awareness of the key factors that could impact your budget is your best ally, enabling you to navigate the rehab process with confidence and purpose. When it comes to buying and rehabbing a property, one critical aspect to consider is the scope of renovations. This factor can dramatically influence your expenses and timeline. Are you planning to make simple cosmetic updates like painting and flooring? Or are you gearing up for extensive structural changes such as moving walls or upgrading plumbing? Misjudging the extent of renovations can lead to underestimating costs, leaving investors in a tight spot. For instance, if you purchase a property for $350,000 and spend an additional $70,000 on repairs, your total investment reaches $420,000. This reality emphasizes the importance of careful planning and accurate estimates. Another major player in your budget is local market conditions. Location can greatly affect both material and labor costs. Generally, urban areas tend to have higher expenses due to increased demand. For example, labor costs can fluctuate between $50 and $150 per hour depending on where you are and the type of work involved. It's wise to include a contingency budget of 10% to 20% for unexpected expenses. Older homes often come with surprises that can complicate repairs more than anticipated. Now, let's delve into the essential factors that could dictate your financial success in this venture. Number 1. The scope of renovations determines your budget and timeline. Clearly defining whether you're making minor cosmetic updates or undertaking significant structural changes will help avoid hidden costs later. Number 2. Local market conditions influence material and labor costs. Awareness of seasonal trends can provide strategic advantages in managing your budget effectively. Number 3. Navigating permits and regulations is crucial. Securing the necessary permits up front protects against costly delays and legal issues. Number 4. Project duration directly affects your overall costs. A longer project means extended utility and insurance payments, so creating a detailed timeline with milestones is essential. Number 5. Having a contingency budget is vital. Setting aside 10% to 20% of estimated costs for unexpected surprises is a smart practice that many investors overlook. Number 6. Conducting thorough inspections before starting any rehab work can reveal hidden issues that might derail your plans. Engage qualified inspectors to assess all critical systems in the property. Number 7. The quality of materials chosen for renovations impacts both immediate costs and long-term value. Investing in higher quality materials may be more expensive upfront, but can lead to savings down the line. Understanding these factors helps investors make informed decisions about their projects, ensuring they maximize their investments while meeting current market demands. Local market conditions further underscore the importance of timing and location in rehab projects. Prices vary significantly based on demand and availability of skilled labor. For instance, urban markets often see faster appreciation rates, whereas properties in declining areas may struggle to recover renovation investments. Being savvy about these dynamics not only aids in budgeting, but also positions properties competitively in the market. As you embark on your renovation journey, be prepared for common unexpected costs. Hidden structural issues can arise during renovations, leading to thousands in additional expenses if not caught early. Outdated electrical systems may require costly upgrades that you didn't plan for. Permits and inspection fees can quickly add up, especially if multiple permits are needed for various aspects of your project. Likewise, unforeseen code violations can necessitate costly adjustments that disrupt your timeline and budget. Pest infestations can create alarming surprises during renovations, leading to significant treatment and repair costs. Landscaping issues often get overlooked, but can result in unexpected expenses as well. Additionally, appliance upgrades can strain your budget if not accounted for upfront. Labor costs may fluctuate based on contractor availability, making it wise to secure contracts early. Finding valuable property listings is essential for maximizing investment returns, and platforms like growthsense.com can be invaluable resources in this pursuit. They provide access to a wide array of property listings and insightful analytics that help investors make informed decisions. With advanced search tools, users can pinpoint properties that match their criteria while benefiting from market trends and neighborhood statistics that inform their choices. As you contemplate these vital factors impacting your real estate journey, remember that forethought and strategy pave the way for success. Knowing the scope of renovations required and being aware of local market conditions will help you better equipped to navigate the complexities of buying and rehabbing properties. But here's the cliffhanger. What happens when you find a property that meets all your criteria but holds hidden challenges? Will you be prepared to tackle them? Stay informed and proactive in your approach to real estate investing. To dive deeper into this topic and discover how growthsense.com can guide you through valuable property listings and emerging market trends, visit our site today. Empower yourself with knowledge to turn potential pitfalls into stepping stones towards success in your real estate endeavors.